In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect tasks to projects in Notion using relations. This is a vital feature to help keep your workflow organized and efficient. With just a few steps, you can create a more integrated and holistic project management system. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your tasks database in Notion. This is a place where you've likely been keeping track of individual tasks on your to-do list without yet associating them with broader goals or projects. What we're going to do is create a connection between each task and the larger projects they may belong to. Once you're in your tasks database, look towards the top of the page, where you should see a header with Add Property. Click on this and then select Relation from the list of options that appears. By choosing Relation, you're about to create a link between your tasks database and another database you have, which in this case is your projects database. Finding and selecting this option is crucial since it allows you to draw connections between separate databases, providing a comprehensive overview of your workflow. Now that you've clicked the Relation option, it's time to select your project's database. A menu will pop up, listing all available databases you can connect to. Simply choose the project's database from this list. This action links the two databases, allowing them to communicate with one another and share relevant information about tasks and projects. The relation property you just created should now be renamed. Look at the new property and update the name to something intuitive, like project. This step is about ensuring clarity whenever you or your teammates are looking over the databases. When tasks have clear labels, it's much easier to manage and understand what's going on at a glance. With these settings in place, whenever you create a task in the tasks database, you will now have the option to link it to a specific project from your projects database. Simply enter your new task and use the project field to select the project you want this task to be associated with. This link is what makes tracking your progress seamless. You'll have full visibility of how your tasks fit within the broader context of your projects. And that's it. You've now established a robust link between your tasks and your projects in Notion, enabling a more unified and organized approach to managing your workflow. By doing this, you're effectively optimizing the way you approach project management and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your productivity in Notion. Happy organizing!